Hi, in today's lesson we will be creating simple toolpaths for basic machining. What we want to do first is make sure that we're in the correct environment, which is manufacturer. We have a setup created, which you can see from a previous video. We have our stock and our datum set. All the toolpaths within Fusion are under 2D and 3D. The first thing we want to do is set a face milling toolpath. You'll find that under 2D. Here we have a dialog box with 5 different tabs. Every toolpath has the same 5 tabs. It's tool, geometry, heights, passes, which is when the tool is engaging the material, and linking is when the tool is exiting or entering the material. For now, we're just going to select a tool. I'm going to look for a 50mm face mill, OK that, and geometry to tell it where to machine. So it's already highlighting the stock material, so I'm just going to leave that alone and press OK. Here we have our first toolpath already created. In order to go back in and manipulate some of the features within that toolpath, we can double click, which will bring you back into the dialog box, or we can simply right click and edit. The next thing we want to do is just do some roughing. So again, we're going to go 2D adaptive clearing. It looks for a tool. I'm going to look for a 12mm end mill. Select OK. My geometry, I want to pick this as my geometry, which is the lower of the model. If we pick the higher part of the model, the tool will only come down as far as here. So we're going to pick this. Again, you can see that the arrow is on the outside of the part, which is correct. If you click on the arrow, you can do the inside. We want to be on the outside. So again, I'm going to click OK. And there we have our second toolpath created. As you can see, I'm just creating toolpaths, selecting the toolpath, picking the tool, and pick a geometry, and pressing OK to see what it does. After that, you can go in and manipulate all the features within that toolpath if you need it. The third thing we want to do is a finishing pass. So again, I'm going to go 2D contour. Again, select tool. It picks up the same tool from the last toolpath, which is the 12mm, so I can leave that alone. Again, geometry, I'm going to select my contour, which is going to be this. The arrow's on the outside, and I'm going to click OK. And there we have our finishing pass. The last thing we want to do is drill out these 2 holes. We can do this very easily by clicking the hole recognition button. Here we have different options of what we want to do: spot, drill and bore, spot, drill and ream, etc. We're going to go spot and drill only. And here we have our 2 tools that it did for us. We can again right click on these to go in and manipulate some of the features within the drill or the spot drill. And there we have how to do a few simple toolpaths within Fusion 360. I hope this was helpful. Thanks, and see you again.